Hi folks, we have a ECU here. Hyundai Accent CVT. We already done repair this ECU. The problem is no check engine light not starting. And there is now check engine light in my ECU simulator. And there's now fuel pump relay signal. All injector signal is present. Canvas signal is present too. This is my piece of art. And now I will start to scan this ECU. Scrolling down finding Hyundai option. And now my diagnostic scanner trying to communicate this ECU. Scroll down, finding Accent model. Select year model, this is 2014. This is 1.6 engine. Click system selection. And now choose ECU or ECM. My diagnostic scanner is communicating this ECU. Voila, you can now scan this ECU. This ECU now is working. And now I will try to test the fuel pump relay signal. Start the test. As you can see, the fuel pump relay signal is working properly. Stop the test. And now we will test the ignition coil signal. First we test the ignition coil signal number 1. As you can see, ignition coil number 1 is working properly. Now we will test the ignition coil number 2. As you can see, ignition coil number 2 is working properly. And now we will test the ignition coil number 3. As you can see, the ignition coil number 3 is working properly. In the final test, we will test the ignition coil number 4. Again, the ignition coil number 4 is working properly. All the test is working. The ECU now is 100% working and ready to deliver. I originally designed and built this ECU simulator. Thank you for watching.